Running a restaurant can be tough, from managing reservations to taking orders. There's a lot to keep track of. But what if there is a way to make things a little easier? Introducing ChatGPT, a powerful language model that can help to streamline your operations and improve customer service. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and respond to natural language. This means you can use it to manage reservations, taking orders, and even recommendations to your customers. By integrating ChatGPT into your restaurant's workflow, you can save time and improve the customer experience. For example, with ChatGPT, customers can make reservations or place orders through your website or mobile app without having to wait for a human operator to become available. ChatGPT can also help you to personalize the customer experience by recommending the menu items based on their preferences or previous orders. This can help increase the sales, improve your customer loyalty. But ChatGPT isn't just for customer facing applications. You can also use it to make automate tasks like inventory management and scheduling. By freeing up your staff time, you can also focus on what really matters, providing an excellent customer service and delicious food. There are more examples what ChatGPT can do by integrating to your system. Reservation management. ChatGPT can be integrated into your restaurant's website or mobile app to allow customers to make a reservations using the natural language. This means that customers can simply type in a request like I would like to make a reservation for 2 at 7 p.m. tomorrow, and ChatGPT will understand and process the request. This can save time for both customers and staff and can also help to reduce the need for dedicated reservation phone line. Order taking. ChatGPT can also be used to take orders from customers through your website or mobile app. This can be especially useful for takeout or delivery orders, as the customers can simply type in their orders and have it in sent directly to the kitchen or preparation. ChatGPT can also understand special requests and modifications, such as I'd like to have my burger well done, or can I substitute the price for a salad? Personalized recommendations. ChatGPT can analyze customer data such as previous orders and preferences to make a personalized menu recommendations. For example, if a customer frequently orders in vegetarian dishes, ChatGPT may suggest a new vegetarian options for them to try. This can help increase sales and improve your customer satisfaction. Inventory management. ChatGPT can be used to automate inventory management tasks such as tracking stock levels, or recording supplies, and monitoring food waste. This can save time for a staff and help to ensure that the restaurant is always has the ingredients it needs to prepare the dishes. Scheduling. ChatGPT can be also used to automate scheduling tasks such as creating employee schedules, managing time of request, and tracking attendance. This can help to reduce the time and effort to required to make the staff schedules and can also help ensure that restaurants always has enough staff on the hand to meet the customer demand. By using ChatGPT to automate these tasks, restaurants owners and managers can free up staff time and resources to focus on providing an excellent customer service and delicious food. Additionally, ChatGPT's ability to understand and respond to natural language can help to improve the customer experience and increase the customer loyalty. So, if you're looking to take your restaurant to the next level, consider using ChatGPT. With its powerful language understanding capabilities, it can help you to streamline the operations and improve the customer experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intuitive restaurant business contents.